In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an audience safely and correctly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the removal of an audience you no longer need, all without risking the wrong list. I'll also point out an important limitation, so you don't run into surprises along the way. First, open your workspace and look to the left sidebar. Find and click the Audience section. It's often labeled with a people icon, and it's where all your lists or segments are managed. If your menu is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the audience label. Once you're there, you'll see your available audiences listed. Next, identify the audience you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check its name and any details that help you confirm it's the right one. If you have many audiences, use the search field or filters to locate it quickly. Here's a crucial note. Only audiences that are not your default audience can be deleted. The default audience is typically designated by a label or icon and is protected to prevent accidental loss of your primary list. If the audience you're trying to remove is marked as default, you won't be able to proceed with deletion. When you've found the correct non-default audience, move your cursor to the right side of that row and click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. This opens a small list of actions related to that specific audience. From the options, choose Delete. This selection is often labeled clearly and may be accompanied by a trash bin icon, just to make sure you're choosing the intended action. Selecting Delete tells the system you plan to remove that audience. To finalize the removal, you may be prompted to type the word Delete in all caps, then click Confirm. This safeguard is there to help prevent mistakes. Carefully type Delete exactly as shown and confirm. Once you do, the system will permanently remove that audience from your account. Keep in mind that deletions are typically irreversible, so it's worth a last look to ensure you selected the correct audience before confirming. And that's it. You've navigated to Audience, found the right non-default list, opened the three-dot menu, selected Delete, and confirmed. With these steps, you can keep your account organized, avoid clutter, and ensure you're only keeping the audiences that serve your current goals.